Welcome to Reinforcement Learning in 2 minutes. Reinforcement learning, or RL, is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment. Instead of being told the right answer, the agent learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. Think of it like training a dog. You reward the behavior you want, and over time the dog figures out what to do. At the core of RL are a few key concepts. The agent is the learner or decision maker. The environment is everything the agent interacts with. The agent observes the current state, takes an action, and receives a reward signal. The goal is to maximize cumulative reward over time. This is known as the return. The strategy the agent uses to decide actions is called a policy. Policies can be deterministic, always choosing the same action in a given state, or stochastic, choosing actions based on probabilities. Two foundational approaches in RL are model-based and model-free learning. Model-free methods, like Q-learning and policy gradient algorithms, learn directly from experience without building an internal map of the environment. Modern RL has achieved remarkable milestones. DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated world champion Go players. OpenAI's systems mastered complex video games. And as of today, RL is being applied in robotics, autonomous vehicles, drug discovery, and even fine-tuning large language models through a technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Despite its power, RL comes with challenges. It requires enormous amounts of data, can be unstable during training, and designing the right reward function is notoriously difficult. Reinforcement learning represents one of the most exciting frontiers in artificial intelligence, pushing machines closer to human-like decision-making. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.